And I think we are live. Thanks for joining me for the live trading. Just going to show you something a bit different. I know some of you guys may know I am already started a that's the one share. Got so many screen. Perfect. So I have been testing a new stock trading system. So the chart that you are seeing at the moment is free of the index ETF. So let me just grab a pen. Let's close this one off as well.
Hey, welcome to our.
So this like pen. Right. So here is QQQ is the NASDAQ ETF, SPY is the S&P 500 ETF, DIA is the Dow Jones. All of them gap up at the moment. You can see the pre-market open, pre-market, NASDAQ a little bit less, but S&P 500 gapped quite a bit. And this on the DIA, so the Dow Jones gap a little bit as well. So I'm essentially seeing that is the pre-market that is looking bullish at the moment. So today on my list, I'm trying to buy this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. Okay. I won't go into detail how to do it because it's quite advanced and yeah, it's something I've still been testing, but I will be very happy to share the result when it's ready. Okay, so that's the plan. So going to go back to the normal chart now, just bear with me. So the S&P 500, so this is the free chart that I usually have. Let's go start with the S&P 500. I know today's the highlight should be a Boris Johnson. So currently price is broke out this, I said if it's above 3,800, I'm happy to be a buyer. Would it retrace here? I rather not. Actually, I rather not. I rather it come, break this today, and then maybe I'll get it tomorrow on the retest, or I may not. So let's see. But today, I would be looking, if it breaks above here, then yeah, certainly I will be looking to be a intraday buyer on the stock that I picked anyway on that. Okay, so keep an eye on that. I still think that we has a possibility to test this or maybe a little bit higher. So I still on my list, but maybe tomorrow I will look for a retest around this area. So daily pivot tomorrow potentially on that. Moving on to something that I want to talk about, but just start off with the dollar index first. Dollar index, look at that. Well, this is one now. I'm just going to go into the weekly chart. So we're seeing a big breakout on the weekly. Are we going to continue to break higher, or are we going to retrace a little bit? My money is on retracement, actually. You can see from, I mentioned on Monday or Tuesday, I think Tuesday, yeah. So let's get the pen. So this is the biggest bar on Tuesday, and I said I don't buy it. You can see already buy momentum is slowing down. So I see a retracement, perhaps back to the 104 even. Where is the monthly pivot? Let me have a quick look. Yeah, spots on to monthly pivot, then yeah, I potentially will look to be a buyer of dollar, but not now. Without retracement, no. So through here, could be a reversal trader, but it's nothing really I like, to be honest with you. There is one that is brewing in the background is dollar yen. I will start off with a 4-hour chart. So we currently don't have a trend just yet. We have just a potential lower high on dollar yen. I need this to break the trend line, the neckline, whatever you want to call it, and then I would look to be a seller of dollar yen. Let's see how that turns out. So it's good reward to risk if you get it from here and then target the swing low area, still healthy 3, 4, 2, 1 if you use a smaller time frame to get in. So that's my plan on Forex. The rest I have zero interest, so I don't want to bore you with it. But if you have any Forex pair that is in your interest, please go ahead and send me a message. I'll do my best to have a look at it for you. All right. So moving on to something that I'm already in. I will start off with, I'm in silver. I'm already in the trade, currently sitting a little bit of losses, but that's fine. It's always the case. So I took the breakout on this 1 hour pattern, but it's a reversal trade that I've been mentioning that I'd be potentially going to go long on that. Start with weekly. This $19 area is very, very significant. You can see we have been trading. This is a weekly chart, guys. So you see that we have been trading this here, take its head through this area, loads of interaction. We managed to broken through. So since 2014 to 2021, we smashed through, and now we come back to testing this level. I like that. And seasonally, silver is quite bullish around this time, especially the presidential cycle as well. So I like that a lot. So how do I get in is just very simple. You might think, why am I using the future chart? Because I don't want to pay swap on that. So I'm trading that on the future chart. So I saw a reversal pattern, so I just took the breakout, and I'm just being patient to see what's going to happen. It may range a little bit, it may come back down, it may even kick me out, but my job is when I see the opportunity that meets my rules, continue to trade that. That's and then stay in the trade. What outcome it is, I don't care. Managing the trade accordingly is what I can do. Okay. Gold, on the other hand, may have a little bit more downside. It's just in the no man's land at the moment. Yes, we are in could say we have a soft level. If I draw that here for you guys, I did see that, but we may go a bit lower, or maybe this is the level. So see, we may have a soft level here, or maybe a little bit lower. So it's not with me. I already invested some of the gold stock anyway, happy to hold on to it and see what happens. If it dip a bit lower, then I might dollar cost average a little bit, but it's at the moment in this area, I'm not overly excited about that. Okay. I mentioned oil. See, it's come back to a level now, to this level. We may see a bounce on that. We may see a bounce on oil because this is a level, but we missed the trade through here. Ultimately, the picture is looking a bit more bearish now. You can see the overall picture here. See, I was anticipating price go back to 116 and I will short it, but it didn't. Made a double top under 110, and then now, boom, tanked to around 90, touch 95. So, I mean, for me, of course, I'm not going to chase. So let's wait for a pullback to this area. Then I'll look to be a seller again on oil. So oil is on the list to sell, but we may see a bounce. Let's see what it brings us next week. Okay. Cryptocurrency. It's ranging at the bottom. So you can see trying to make a base in this area. I see a bounce. The reason why I said that is quite similar to around this area at the moment. So last time here, boop, made a base, break lower, and then finally made a base, and then we'll have a little bounce on that. So it breaks a 3 times, or 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So similar pattern here, 1, 2, third time here. So we're gonna likely to see a bounce. If we're gonna see a bounce on the indices, we're likely to see a bounce around under 30K. I will look to sell it, but be aware. I already done the video. This it may go like, nice to be like that, and then bang, go back down, but it could go like that and then down. So, it could go here, make it, and then this one is a real move to sell it. So I will try both anyway. I will sell one, take some profit, protect, and then if it doesn't work, I'll sell another one. So that's my plan on cryptocurrency. So I'm now gonna go and prepare myself for the stock trading now. If you do have any question, drop me a message through Discord. If you are not in our Discord channel, it's very simple. like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop me a comment there, and then I'll add you to our channel. Then you can interact with me and potentially follow my trade. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.